We are super excited to present our, what I believe will be our 17th holiday forecast. Crazy, right? 17 years back, the world of retail e-commerce looked so very different. We have essentially looked at all the seasonality component pertaining to different categories. And last but not the least, we have looked at very specific category level nuances while coming up with this forecast. So it's quite an adventure to really sort of work on this forecast each year. It consumes a tremendous amount of time of our analysts and so on. And this year, I think some of the key parts in the forecast, without really divulging exactly what the percentage is, there are certain categories which have really shown a decline in year-on-year sales as such. So understandably, the pressure has really built up on these categories to really deliver an exceptional performance and exceptional result during the holiday season. There is obviously this Gen AI related pressures where the AI overviews has led to a little bit of a cannibalization of some of the search clicks and so on. So this would be a holiday season like no other for multiple reasons. I invite you to sort of take a look, check out the overall holiday forecast, and effectively plan very carefully for the holidays.